going to talk about the female ranges as well too, so that you all know what they are. I'm going to keep it pretty simple as well too. So there are 3 female ranges, just to keep it simple. The lowest female range is the contralto, the middle range is an alto, and the highest range is a soprano. And for the guys, the lowest range is bass, middle range is baritone, highest range is tenor. So have you been told by your singing teachers what you are? Mezzo, that's in between. So I'm going to keep everything really simple, just the three main categories here. Yep. Are you? Fantastic. If you've had singing lessons, your teacher should tell you what you are. But don't be, it doesn't mean you're stuck in that particular range. You can expand your voice like an elastic band. So with training and with proper technique, you can do that.